We recapped on the topic that we did the session before.
Okay. And how we solved the second question over here?
We did ord- we did ordering the fractions up to the other to the largest to the smallest, but we had to work out how much we had to times it by to get to the other number.
Okay, that's absolutely correct. So for that, here you have some more smileys.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And what about this slide?
Um, we worked out how many how many Anastasia, how many birds she has the most.
Okay. And what we did on this slide?
We were looking at our next topic.
Okay. So how we solved this question over here?
Um, we worked the 5 to the 10, and then we times that by 2, and then the 4 times 2, which equals 8. So 8 take away 7, 1/10.
Okay, that's really wonderful that you remember this concept as well. So for that, here are some thumbs ups.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And how we solved this slide?
We did who has the most tortilla. Well, because no, because we did. Lana has a half of a tortilla chip. I mean tortilla, and then she gave 1/10 to her friend. So now she only had 4/10.
Okay. And what we did on this slide?
We worked how we did the how the we showed how you times the two times it by how many you had to times it by how many multiples you had to times it by.
Okay. And what was the example that we discussed over here?
We discussed of so there was 7/8 of a cake and 1/2 of a cake, and the 7/8 were bigger.
Okay. And what about the last slide? How we solved this one?
We solved it by converting the 5 to the 10.
Okay. And what answer did we get here?
8/10.
So did we get 8 tenths
Yes.
or 2 tenths?
Oh no, 2/10.
Okay. So that's really wonderful that you remember concepts from this session that we had today. So for that, here you have your final 10 effort points.